will be a good score here. Last ball of Ahluwalia's last over was hit very fiercely by Raja to the square leg boundary. The last over being bowled by the captain himself. I like the confidence, taking it on himself, bowling the last over. He's bowled 3 overs so far, has conceded just 16 runs, picked up a wicket. This time tries to go towards square leg, but manages just a single. It brings Raja on strike. More importantly, he's the one who has forced the pace of this innings. He's got 15 of 13 deliveries. He stayed there till the end. Will be interesting to see what he does with Sunil Shetty's deliveries.
Where can he go? Where can he hit? That's what Raja is thinking. That is what is going on in his mind. He'll have to wait, exercise some patience. He goes big. He connects quite well. Hits into the stands. What a blow from Raja. These are valuable runs for his side. So the total moves up to 133. It may turn out to be extremely costly experiment by Sunil Shetty, the captain. He stretched it from outside the off stump and it sails into the crowd, into the stands. Look at the dugout. Bengal Tigers, they are so happy. They need one big over to propel this score. 7 from the first 2.
Well, is this the over? Always keep saying one big over and things can change drastically. It's a wide wing called. Being the best of overs for Sunil Shetty so far. He's bowled 2 deliveries and has conceded 8 runs.
He beats him, will get a single. So one more run added. I'm just trying to think, Amol, what are the options available for Sunil Shetty? What about some of the main bowlers? But he has gone ahead by bowling himself in the last over. He's already conceded 9 from the first 3 deliveries.
Ball. Out.
Is that bowled in? He'll have to wait and watch. Wicketkeeper is saying it's been bowled.
Yes, it can be referred, or the fielders can go for a review. Yeah, it's decided. The batsman has been bowled, so one more wicket falls. So Sunil Shetty has taken another wicket, and this is what happened. Slow delivery. Indrasees wanted to go for the big shot. He misses it completely. And yes, it just clips the off stump, and that's how the bails came off the groove. So that is how one more wicket falls. There should not be any confusion at all. Why are they asking for a review? I think it's more than clear that he was bowled.
It's more than clear that it has kissed his off stump. They're not taking, they've refused it. Indrasees gone for 13, it's 135 for 7.
It's Indrajit who's come out to bat, hits it well, pulls it, There is a fielder, only get a single. So the last delivery to be faced by Raja, who has played quite well. He's on 21 of only 15 deliveries. That includes 2 massive hits over the fence. That's what they need. One more big hit from Raja. 136 for 7. That is a challenging score here for Mumbai Heroes, put up by the Tigers. Hits it well. They want to go for the second one. Indrajit wants it. And it should be out. Yes, it is. So one more wicket. Good throw from the deep by the fielder, straight into the hands of Sunil Shetty. So that's how the last wicket fell off Indrajit. They've done well, Bengal Tigers. 137 they've managed from 20 overs.
This time he didn't connect that one, otherwise it would have gone over the ropes, but Sunil Shetty did really well. Just clipped the bails off at the right time, collected the ball correctly, and Indraneel gone for one, run out by Sunil Shetty.